guys, I have a bad news. In 2026, quickly change your avatar in Roblox because if you don't change your avatar, Scary Larry will kill you. And she's going to lock your profile. Scary Larry will lock your profile because you are not changing your avatar. And if you are a bacon hair, Scary Larry will not kill you and she's not going to lock your profile because if you are not a bacon hair, Scary Larry will lock your profile and you cannot play on the Roblox now. And if you are a bacon hair on the Roblox, Scary Larry will not lock your profile in Roblox because Scary Larry is back in 2026. So if you have Roblox, change your avatar. But if you know Scary Larry, comment down below. Guys, just say in the comment, I know the Scary Larry. Because I don't know if you know the Scary Larry or not. You know the Scary Larry? Comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Because guys, is 2025 now but in the next day is 2026. If you know 2026, change your avatar or Scary Larry will kill you. Guys, because I have a Roblox and I see Scary Larry, so I quickly changed my avatar with bacon avatar.